ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः. गीताभ्यासे 17-1 ये शास्त्रविधिमुत्सृज्य. अर्जुन उवाच. पदच्छेदे अर्जुनः उवाच. ये शास्त्रविधिमुत्सृज्य यजन्ते श्रद्धयान्विताः. पदच्छेदे ये शास्त्रविधिम् उत्सृज्य यजन्ते श्रद्धया अन्विताः. तेषां निष्ठा तु का कृष्ण सत्त्वमाहो रजस्तमः. पदच्छेदे तेषां निष्ठा तु का कृष्ण सत्त्वम् आहो रजः तमः. वाक्यांशः विश्लेषण. I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः कर्तृपदीयाः कर्मपदीयाः अन्ये सुबन्ताः विधेयाः अव्ययानि कृदन्ताः तिङन्ताः. अर्जुनः उवाच. श्रद्धया अन्विताः ये शास्त्रविधिम् उत्सृज्य यजन्ते कृष्ण निष्ठा तेषां का तु भवति सत्वं रजः तमः आहो. वाक्यांशः 2a श्रद्धया अन्विताः is adjectival of ye in 2b, the common subject of 2b and 2c. The वाक्यांशः 3b सत्वम आहो रजः तमः is complement विधेयः of 3a. निष्ठा का भवति सत्वम आहो रजः तमः. अन्वयशः शब्दाभ्यासः. अर्जुनः उवाच. अर्जुनः अर्जुन विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनम्. अर्जुन एडजेक्टिव. अर्ज उनन् निलुक्च उणादिः 358. अर्जुना और अर्जुनी फेमिनिन. White, clear, bright, of the color of day. Ahascha Krishnam, Ahararjunancha. Other different quotations. Arjunaha, the white color, a peacock, a sort of cutaneous disease. And more appropriate meaning is name of the third Pandava, who was a son of Kunti by Indra and is called Aindri also. Arjuna was so called because he was white or pure in actions. Prithvivyam Chaturantayam Varno me durlabhassamah karomi karma shuddhancha tena mam arjunam viduhu. He was taught the use of arms by Drona and was his favorite pupil. By his skill in arms, he won Draupadi at her Swayamvar. See Draupadi also. For an involuntary transgression, he went into temporary exile, and during that time, he learned the science of arms from Parshurama. He married Ulupi, a Naga princess, by whom he had a son named Iravat, and also Chitrangada, daughter of the king of Manipur, who bore him a son named Babhruvahan. During this exile, he visited Dwarka and, with the help and advice of Krishna, succeeded in marrying Subhadra. By her, he had a son named Abhimanyu. Afterwards, he obtained the bow Gandiva from the god Agni, whom he assisted in burning the Khandava forest. When Dharma, his eldest brother, lost the kingdom by gambling, and the five brothers went into exile, he went to the Himalayas to propitiate the gods and to obtain from them celestial weapons for use in the contemplated war against Kauravas. There he fought with Shiva, who appeared in the disguise of a Kirata. But when he discovered the true character of his adversary, he worshipped him, and Shiva gave him the Pashupatastra. Indra, Varuna, Yama, and Kubera also presented him with their own weapons. In the 13th year of their exile, the Pandavas entered the service of the king of Virata, and he had to act the part of a eunuch and music and dancing master. In the great war with the Kauravas, Arjuna took a very distinguished part. He secured the assistance of Krishna, who acted as a charioteer, and related to him the Bhagavad Gita. When, on the first day of the battle, he hesitated to bend his bow against his own kinsmen, in the course of that great struggle, he slew or vanquished several redoubtable warriors on the side of the Kauravas, such as Jayadratha, Bhishma, Karna, etc. After Yudhishthira had been installed sovereign of Hastinapura, he resolved to perform the Ashwamedha sacrifice, and a horse was let loose with Arjuna as its guardian. Arjuna followed it through many cities and countries and fought with many kings. At the city of Manipura, he had to fight with his own son, Babhruvahana, and was killed, but he was restored to life by a charm supplied by his wife Ulupi. He traversed the whole of Bharatakhanda and returned to Hastinapura loaded with spoils and tributes, and the great horse sacrifice was then duly performed. He was afterwards called by Krishna to Dwarka amid the internecine struggles of the Yadavas, and there he performed the funeral ceremonies of Vasudeva and Krishna. Soon after this, the five Pandavas repaired to heaven, having installed Parikshit, the only surviving son of Abhimanyu, on the throne of Hastinapura. Arjuna was the bravest of the Pandavas, high-minded, generous, upright, handsome, and the most prominent figure of all his brothers. He has several appellations, such as Partha, Gudakesha, Sabyasachi, Dhananjaya, Phalguna, Kiritin, Jishnu, Shvetavahana, Gandiva, etc., Gandivin, etc. See, Arjuna Phalguna Jishnu Kiriti Shvetavahana Bhivetsur Vijaya Krishna Savyasachi Dhananjaya. उवाच वच धातोः अथवा ब्रू धातोः लिटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं वच वचं परिभाषणे टू स्पीक टू टेल टू टॉक अदादिः द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी द्विकर्मकः अनिट् ब्रू ब्रूयि व्यक्तायां वाचि टू स्पीक टू टेल टू एक्सप्लेन अदादिः द्वितीयगणीयः उभयपदी द्विकर्मकः सेट् ये श्रद्धया अन्विताः शास्त्रविधिमुत्सृज्य यजन्ते ये यत् सर्वनाम अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम श्रद्धया श्रद्धा स्त्रीलिंगम तृतीया एकवचनम श्रद्धा ट्रस्ट फेथ बिलीफ कॉन्फिडेंस बिलीफ इन डिवाइन रेवलेशन रिलीजियस फेथ श्रद्धावित्तं विधिश्चेति त्रितयं सत् तत्समागतम् अयति श्रद्धयोपेतो योगात् चलितमानसः. This is from Bhagavad Gita 6-36. Anyway, other quotes also: respect, reverence, strong or vehement desire, तथापि वैचित्र्य रहस्य लुब्धा श्रद्धां विदास्यन्ति सचेतसोऽत्र. This is probably from Vikramoorvashiyam. युद्ध श्रद्धा पुलकित इव प्राप्त सख्यः करेण. ओके. अन्विताः अनु प्लस इ अन्वि धातोः क्त विशेषणम् अन्वित. अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम् अन्वित past participle followed or attended by in company with joined by अमात्य पुत्रे सवयोभिरन्वितः from Raghuvansham possessed of having possessing endowed with full of Anvita, Shraddhya Anvita, seized or struck with, overpowered by, with instrumental or in compound. Kulanvitam kukulaja nidnanti. So dhaiyanvita, gunanvita, vittanvita, vismayanvita, struck with wonder. Bhayanvita, krodhavanvita, lobhanvita, etc. Full of that character. So here, Shraddhayanvita. शास्त्रविधिं शास्त्रविधि पुल्लिंगम द्वितीय एकवचनम शास्त्रम च विधि च एतयोः समाहारः शास्त्रविधिः द्वन्द्व शास्त्रम शास्त्रम शिष्यते अनेन शास्त्रम और शास्त्रम शास्त्रम an order a command rule precept अतिक्रामते शास्त्रम पितृधर्मार्थ दर्शिना a sacred precept or rule, scriptural injunction. Tasmat Shastram Pramanante Karya Karya Vyavasthita. This is from Bhagavad Gita 16-24. We have studied this. Any department of knowledge, Shastram, science, Iti Guhyatamam Shastram. This is from Bhagavad Gita 15-20. Shastreshvakunthita Buddhi from Raghuvamsha. Often at the end of compounds, after the word denoting the subject or applied collectively to the whole body of teaching on that subject. Vedanta Shastram, Nyaya Shastram, Tarka Shastram, Alankara Shastram, like that. Vidhi, Vidhi, Vidha, Ki. Doing, performance, practice, an act or action. Brahmadhyana Bhyasana Vidhina Yoga Nidram Gatasya. Oh, this is from Bhartruhari 3-41. Yoga Vidhi. Asyaha Sarga Vidhau. Lekha Vidhi. Malvikan. Method, manner, way, means, mode. Nissaralpafalani ye to vidhana vanchanti dandodyamai. This is from Panchatantra 1-376. Different quotes, different meaning. A sacred precept or rule, vidhi. Ordinance, injunction, law, a sacred command. Utsrujya, ut plus sruj. Utsruj, dhatoho levantam. Utsruj, shashtaganiyaha parasmaipadi. To pour out, emit, send forth, or down. Velika Nishwasamivotsa. This is from, looks to be Kumar Sambhava. Sahasraguna Utshrushtam Adattehi Rasam Ravihi. To quit, leave, abandon, give up. Mata Pitrubhyam Utshrushtam. Nyetamatmanam Utshrushami. This is from maybe Kiratarjuna, Kumar Sambhava, Raghuvamsha. To put off or lay aside, Utsrujya. Bhayotshrushta Vibhushanam. This is from Raghuvamsha. Yajante, yaj dhatoho lati, prathama purushaha bahuvachanam. Yaj, yajang, deva puja sangati karanadaneshu, karanadaneshu. To sacrifice, to offer to a deity, to worship, to get associated with, to give. Dvadi, pratham ganiha uvayapadi, sakarmakaha, anit. Krishna, tesham nishtatu ka, satvam aho rajaha tamaha. Krishna, विशेषणम अत्र पुल्लिंगम संबोधनम एकवचनम तेषाम तत् सर्वनाम अत्र पुल्लिंगम षष्ठी बहुवचनम निष्ठा स्त्रीलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम निष्ठा पोजिशन कंडीशन स्टेट तेषाम निष्ठा तु का कृष्ण Same shloka has been quoted, 17-1. तेषाम अशांत कामानां का निष्ठा अविजितात्मनाम. Bhagavatam. Basis, foundation. Firm adherence, faith, शास्त्रेषु निष्ठा, लोकेस्मिन् द्विविधा निष्ठा, पुरा प्रोक्तामय. This is from Bhagavad Gita, 3-3. Tu avyayam, however, ka, kim, sarvanama, atra strilingam prathama ekvachanam. This is actually interrogative pronoun. Satvam, satva, napusakalingam, prathama ekvachanam. Satvam, satah bhavaha, sato bhavaha, said to be masculine also in the first 10 senses. Being, existence, entity, nature, essence, natural character, inborn disposition, a life, spirit, breath, vitality. So this can be masculine, principle of vitality. Chitre nivesha parikalpita sattva yoga, consciousness. Vakya sattvam cha govindo, buddhav samveshitaniti. Mahabharata. An embryo, substance, thing, wealth. We will come to the most appropriate meaning which I have highlighted. The quality of goodness or purity regarded the highest of the three gunas. It is said to predominate most in gods and heavenly beings. In gods and heavenly beings. Aho, avyayam. Aho, indeclinable. An interjection expressing doubt or alternative or, and usually standing as a correlative of kim vaikhanasam vratam nishevitavyam. Here also it is associated with ka nishtha, and usually standing as a correlative of kim. Aho nivachati samam harinanganavi. Dharatyagi bhavamyaho parasri sparshapamsula. Rajaha. Rajas, Napusakalingam, Prathama Ekvachanam. Rajas, noun, noiter. Ranja asun, nalopaha. Dust, powder. Dirt. Dhanya sadangarajasa malini bhavanti. Atmodhatairapi rajobhiranam kaniya. More appropriate meaning, the second of the three gunas or constituent qualities of all material substances. In fact, why material? It can be even living beings. The other two being Sattva and Tamaha. Rajas is supposed to be the cause of the great activity seen in creatures. It predominates in men, as Sattva and Tamas predominate in gods and demons. Antargatamapastam me rajasopi param tama. Then tamas, tamaha, tamas, napusakalingam prathama ekvachanam. Tamas, noiter, tam, asun, darkness. Kim va abhibhavishyadaruna tamasam viveta. Tam chet sahasra kiranu dhurina karishat. In Sankhya philosophy, darkness or ignorance as one of the three qualities or constituents of everything in nature. Everything in nature is good, not just material. The other two being Sattva and Rajas. Antargatam apastam me rajasopi param tamaha. Same thing has been, because here Raja and Tama both are quoted, so it has been quoted both for Rajas and Tamas. Grief, sorrow, stupefaction, darkness or ignorance. One of the three qualities or constituents. That is the most appropriate meaning. Anavayartha, overall meaning. Arjuna uvacha. Arjuna asked. कृष्ण, हे कृष्ण, ये शास्त्र विधिमुत्सृज्य यजन्ते श्रद्धयान्विताः. Those who do acts of sacrifice, not according to the scriptures, but nevertheless with implicit faith. Tesham nishtha tu ka sattvam ka sattvam maho rajah tamah. What is their condition? Is it one of purity, of passion, or of ignorance? छंदो विश्लेषण. ये शास्त्र विधिमुत्सृज्य अष्टक्षाणि धिमुत्सृज्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे यजन्ते श्रद्धयान्विताः अष्टक्षाणि धयान्वि एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका तेषां निष्ठा तु का कृष्ण अष्टक्षाणि तु का कृष्ण एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे सत्त्वमाहो रजस्तमः अष्टक्षाणि रजस्त एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अस्मिन् सप्तदशाध्याये प्रथमे श्लोके अनुष्ठुप् छन्दः. स्वाध्यायः, notes of self-study. This question by Arjuna is prompted by यशास्त्र विधिमुत्सृज्य वर्तते कामकारतः न स सिद्धिम् अवाप्नोति न सुखं न परां गतिम्. 16-23. He who, having cast aside the ordinance of the scriptures, acts under the impulse of desire, attains not perfection, nor happiness, nor the supreme goal. The commonality is ye shastra vidhimutsrujya here against yash shastra vidhimutsrujya in 16-23. Ye is plural, yaha singular. That's all the difference. Shastra vidhimutsrujya. The difference is yajante shraddhayanvita. Here as against vartate kamakarata in 16-23. Yajante perform sacrificial actions and shraddhayanvita, full of faith, as against vartate kamakrata, according to their own kama, desire, vartate, behave. Actually, converse of 16-23. So seemingly it appears that this shloka is converse of 16-23. Actually, converse of 16-23 would be yaha nishkamaha shastra vidhim utsrujya shastra vidhim anusrutya न वर्तते सः सिद्धिमवाप्नोति सुखं च परां गतिं च. Actually, utsrujya न वर्तते, so shastra vidhim anusrutya vartate, that na is not correct. This is fairly covered in तस्मात् शास्त्रं प्रमाणन्ते कार्या कार्य व्यवस्थितो ज्ञात्वा शास्त्र विधानोक्तं कर्म कर्तुम् इहारसि. I will delete that now. Therefore, let the scriptures be the authority in determining what ought to be done and what ought not to be done. Having known what is said in the ordinance of the scriptures, thou shouldst act here in this way. In paraphrasing his question, Arjuna has used the words Shraddha and Nishtha, which are fairly synonymous. Both are related to reliance and reliability. Faith, reliance, reliability, Nishtha. One may say that Shraddha has a fervor of respecting some superhuman entity. See, Ekanistha means intently devoted or loyal, loyalty, Nishtha, to one thing. Intently fixed on one object. A dog is Swaministha, loyal to his master. So Nishtha, Swaministha, Nishtha. So loyalty. As we shall see in the next shloka, reply by Sri Krishna focuses only on Shraddha. And even the title of the chapter is Shraddha Traya Vibhaga Yoga. This Gita Abhyasa study for learning Sanskrit and Gita together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details Padachedaha, Vakyamshaha Vishlesanam, Shabdabhyasaha, Chando Vishlesanam. As studying Gita, the study details Anvayarthaha, syntactical meaning, and Swadhyaya, that is notes of self-study, wherein deeper meaning, figures of speech, if any, other relevant quotes, including verses from other chapters, are taken note of by way of connecting the dots. This study is Swanta Sukha, or self-contentment. Glad to share. Shubhamast.